Why does your scanner show the P2238 engine code? What does it mean? P2238 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor, positive current control circuit low, bank 1 sensor 1. It indicates the O2 sensor heater circuit is shorted, causing the circuit voltage control to be low. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty oxygen sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring. Blown fuse or faulty relay. Exhaust leaks. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Hyundai, Honda, Nissan, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.